In today's video, I have 3 companies I'm going to share with you. I'm going to go over 3 fully remote roles. 2 are healthcare companies. Another one is a virtual assistant platform that you can join and work when you want and be a 1099 contractor if that's something you're interested in. And one of the healthcare companies actually has over 30 remote opportunities currently listed on their careers page. So there's plenty of opportunity here. Many of these are entry level friendly and especially great if you have a healthcare background. So jam-packed video today. Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome back to Home Base Haven, your safe haven for real work from home jobs. Welcome to those of you that are new. There are many new faces here. Glad to have you. Please be sure you utilize the description box to get more information. You'll find a link for your free download that I created for you guys. Many of you have already downloaded this, and I'm happy to see that. It's 20 remote job sites to help you with your job search. So I just want to give you as many resources as possible to help you on this search, especially as the job market gets more and more packed. Sometimes people don't always know reliable places to go to find jobs. And to be honest, the internet can be a crazy place. People take advantage of people that are on the job search, and sometimes there could be scam sites and whatnot. So to help you avoid all that as much as possible, these are 20 remote jobs sites that are legit and can help you find work. And of course, as always, before you apply to a company, if you're not familiar with it, make sure you do your research. Even the ones that I share here, I'm your first line of defense. I make sure they're legitimate, have real reviews, have paid people, so on and so forth. But always do your own research as well as a second line, just to make sure that it's someone you want to apply to. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the first one. This company is called Broadpath. They are a healthcare company. They are the ones that are hiring for over 30 roles. The one I'm going to highlight today is a Medicaid claims processor position. It says Broadpath is seeking a Medicaid claims processor to join our remote team. The ideal candidate will have strong experience in Medicaid claims processing and be proficient in using QNXT systems. This position is essential for ensuring accurate and timely adjudication of health insurance claims while maintaining compliance. So if you've worked in healthcare before, this is particularly beneficial to you, especially if you've worked in like billing or some kind of insurance role, coding, something like that. This could be a great option for you if you're looking to transition to remote if you weren't already. You only need 1 year of experience in Medicaid claims processing, which if you've worked on that side of healthcare, that's not difficult to come by. And strong attention to detail, great organizational skills, effective verbal and written communication skills, the ability to work independently in a remote environment, and as far as education, you'll need a high school diploma or equivalent. Now, they have, like I said, over 30, here there's 36 results of remote jobs currently listed. Many of these are temporary, so it's a great way to get your foot in the door as well. And temporary roles can often become regular full-time positions. Okay, here's another one. Well, this one is either Philippines or remote US, so there's plenty of options even for international. Here's a call center advisor if you're bilingual, trainer, prior authorization specialist, another claims role. There's plenty for you to go through here to see what can suit what you're looking for. Let's see, there's a call center supervisor. So if you've worked in a call center before or any customer service role, and maybe you want to level up and become a supervisor or some sort of leadership position, this could be great. This patient support rep role is another great. This is even more entry level because this one does not require you to have, claims specific experience. So this one, you're going to be, of course, working from home. You're going to handle inbound and outbound calls while supporting patient access through scheduling, documentation, and coordination of care-related communications. So if you don't have healthcare experience, I would start with a role like this. They let you know what the pay is here. $16 per hour for training and nesting, $60.50 per hour for production. Bonus opportunities, you can earn up to $2 more per hour during the 4-week training and 2-week nesting period by meeting performance and attendance requirements. And then they give you the training schedule, production schedule. Now, I know this is super low for right now, but trust me, if you just need something in the interim, these are temporary roles, and oftentimes these companies will bring you on regular full-time if you're meeting the quality standards and performing well and you can move up either within that company or use that experience to bounce out and go somewhere else. So don't be discouraged by that. I know it can seem like it at first, but especially right now, if you just need something, take advantage of these opportunities and jump on them while you can. The previous role I showed you, the Medicaid claims role, it didn't list the pay, but on Glassdoor, it puts it somewhere between $16 to $19 per hour. So utilize your resources as well to find out different pay. Usually I like to go to Glassdoor, Reddit, and Indeed to see if the companies don't list the pay. All right, let's go into the next one. This company is called Belay or Belay. They are a virtual assistant platform. I love that they tell you right away. The pay range is $19 to $22 per hour. If you're looking for a 1099 contract role where you can create your own schedule, and kind of work when you want to based on your particular client. This is a virtual assistant position, so you're going to help different companies that use Belay as a platform to find their virtual assistant help. Okay, so it's 100% remote. It says you want to enjoy the flexibility of working part-time from home with the leading virtual assistant provider in the US. Look no further. You just found the career you never thought existed. You have a meaningful career working from home part-time while being present and available for loved ones too. So this could be great for work-at-home or stay-at-home parents that need to or want to work, but also need that flexibility and maybe have time for, just family activities, doctor's appointments, life, and just being more present at home, but still being able to bring in some money. This can be a great option for you. Belay is a top-ranked virtual solutions company looking for highly motivated virtual assistants with a passion for serving others. Does that sound like you? Then join us. They have a little intro video you can watch. And it says they're currently accepting applications for residents of all states except California, Colorado, Montana, New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania. So unfortunately, if you live in any of these states, they are not hiring in those areas right now. So sorry if you live there, but I just want to highlight that right now just so that you don't waste your time if that applies to you. This is a flexible role. Like I said, it's 1099 contractor. That's where that flexibility comes in. And the pay range, they already told us that. It says contractors are paid a fixed rate once per month based on the number of contracted hours, and Belay does not guarantee hours or clients. So they are the holding platform, essentially. Their clients and other business owners utilize their platform to find the work. So Belay has nothing to do with the specific hours or the clients because that's out of their control, right? So it says contractor perks. So Belay is going to handle the payment collection and invoicing for you. You have access to affordable health and financial service options through our contractor benefits partners. So typically 1099 roles don't give you typical benefits like insurance and things like that. But through this platform, they have an option for you if you want that. Exclusive access to a pre-vetted client base across industries like consulting, nonprofit, financial, real estate, trades, and more. Join our contractor community for free templates, upskilling opportunities, webinars, and more. So they help invest in your education and to help you build up your skill set to make you more appealing to more clients. A 100% remote position with flexible hours. You choose how many clients or monthly hours to take on. And dedicated success consultant. Every engagement comes with personalized support. And then they give you some more information about who they are as a company, where they've been featured to Entrepreneur Magazine, Inc. Magazine. That's a huge one. They've earned When Work Works Award from Society for Human Resource Management. So the Atlanta Business Chronicle, that's another big platform, a big media platform in Atlanta that speaks about places to work. So this is a great opportunity, and they are a vetted company. And are you looking for a remote role where you're not just an assistant, but an indispensable partner, an opportunity to use your talents to drive client success, a community to share ideas and have ongoing support? Now, the responsibilities, you're going to maintain executive calendars and appointments, manage and organize emails, create and prepare presentations or spreadsheets, handle social media management, build structure and workflows, administer CRMs by updating and entering client data, arrange travel. So all those type of assistant roles, executive assistant type roles that the clients might be looking for. So the qualifications now, 1 year of administrative experience is required. So if you've worked any customer support or executive support, secretary, anything like that for at least a year, then you can qualify. And 3 years is preferred. Must be available during normal business hours, so Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in your time zone. for regular client communication. You must be self-motivated with a strong problem-solving skill set, trustworthy and reliable, of course, an excellent communicator. You must have an at-home office setup with a PC, a Mac computer, and reliable internet, a smartphone with email capabilities, and a quiet, designated workspace for professional duties. Key attributes: you must be highly detail-oriented, self-motivated, trustworthy. So you get the idea for those transferable skills. You get this is an awesome opportunity, and there's really probably no real limit to the number of virtual assistants. I mean, not realistically speaking. So there's opportunity for a lot of people. It's not just one specific role and one client. Like I said, they're a holding platform for several businesses that need this kind of help. So take advantage of that. Next, we're going to look at the company called Cadence. This is another healthcare company looking for a patient success advocate. And it says at Cadence, we're building a better system. Our mission is to deliver proactive care to 1 million seniors by 2030. Our technology and clinical care team extend the reach of primary care providers and support patients every day at home. Now, in this role, they're looking for a patient success advocate to join their dynamic call center environment. So as a patient success advocate, you'll be responsible for delivering comprehensive support to patients and partners participating in the Cadence remote monitoring program across various channels. You're going to handle incoming patient inquiries, provide admin assistance to clinicians, and executing patient engagement and retention initiatives. You have to work Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern. They give you more detail about what you'll be doing in this role. They let you know what you need to have. So a multi-channel help desk experience in a customer-facing healthcare-related field, providing incredible service and helping patients, experience in a metrics-driven position, so anywhere where you had to meet some sort of productivity and quality standards, experience working with Medicare patients, the ability to problem solve, working in a remote environment, ability to represent the company based on their company culture and their standards, willingness to receive feedback, ability to identify trends, eagerness to learn and grow. You guys know the gist. And the pay for this position is $20 to $22 per hour. Again, it's fully remote. And these are all the benefits here that they list. So a nice benefits package that is, going to support you in this role as well. So please take advantage of these opportunities. That's it for this video. You see your links down below. Get these applications in. I know it can be daunting right now with all the news around the job market and seeing things online, but please stay encouraged. It's a numbers game. There may be rejection letters, and sometimes it's not even about you. Oftentimes, these automated rejections are just because these companies have hit the virtual queue of the number of applications they can accept at a time. So it may not be that you're not qualified. Maybe they just did not get your application in early enough. So to help that, I send out an email prior to this video going out on YouTube, which of course has a much broader reach. So if you join my email list, you get these jobs posted as soon as I send them out. You get them first, so you kind of get ahead of the game of the subscribers on this channel, and that way you can kind of get a head start and get your applications in if you're interested. The link below, if you haven't already signed up, I'll put that in the description box for you. So make sure you join my email list. That way you can increase your chances and kind of, help yourself have a better chance of getting hired and pump out as many as you can. I know people say send 5 to 10 resumes a day, which is not always feasible depending on your lifestyle. So any way that you can help increase your chances and then play the numbers in your favor, I would say take advantage of that. So anyway, just my little spiel there. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and weekend, and I will talk to you guys again soon.